Alright, this is starting this way because we are using an iPad and we're using the fun camera for a fun activity we're gonna do today. I'm gonna turn around for a second. I don't know what this looks like. This is me. I'm in a sound studio right now. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this thing that I built that I can build for you as well. It is quite interesting. So I have a business card, a very good friend of mine. Her name is Sonia, and I'm going to show you this awesome thing that this GPT can do. It is connected to Zapier, and so it has the capability to run automations. What I'm going to do is very meta, take a picture of the business card while I'm recording the phone, press OK, and it's going to upload, and it already has instructions on what to do with the card. So now we are going to see what it does. It says card to Notion because I run my CRM out of Notion. So everything that I do with my contact information ends up in Notion. And as you can see, I just took the picture. I did not give it any instructions. It knows the names of the columns. It knows the information that I want to get out of them. And also I have permission from Sonia to use this information. So just so you know, so I can't really see what I'm doing here. I'm like, there we go. All right. So let's just say yes. Well, just Y. To let it know that it wants to, or that it should proceed with the action. And I'm sorry if this takes a little bit of time. Oh, yeah, also, I want to have this pulled up. My recent contacts. As you can see, make sure we're back and forth. Let's do like this. So let's see what this is doing too. Okay, so we're gonna go to my contacts. Okay, so see, some info is gonna be sent to Zapier, and I'm gonna say confirm. It's gonna talk to Zapier because bots like to talk to each other, which is totally cool. And boom. Look at that. There she is, Sonia. And so one of the interesting things about this, and you can see it gives you a little thing, says the entry has been created, successfully added to your Notion database. So I have my Notion hooked up to all kinds of things. So when I add somebody to my database, I'm gonna try to turn this so you guys can see me, even though I can't really see what's going on. When I add somebody to my Notion database, it adds them to my contacts, my Google contacts, so they go into my phone. It adds them to a either subscribed or non-subscribed member of my mailing list. It also adds them as a customer in my QuickBooks. It drafts an email for me based on notes that I take about the person, and it's just for like a welcome and maybe an intro to say, hey, like maybe we should get together in the next couple of weeks. It does all of that by itself. And so all of those things that I just said just now just happened just now from me just taking a picture of a business card. So when I go to an event, and I get done with that event, and I have this, which a lot of people do when they get done with an event, a stack of cards, and you spend hours entering information into your CRM. I don't do that. Not only does it enter the information for me, but also runs through a series of automations for me that can essentially do the work of a full-time employee, and I don't really have to do much of anything except take pictures and say, is this information correct? Yes, it is. That's it. I can build these for you. I do build these. And you should reach out to me if you are interested. And thank you guys for watching.